Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick range. So L'Oreal Paris has recently added 6 new sunset shades to this collection. The shades are very warm and they are perfect for Indian skin tone. So this range has now a total of 12 shades, which includes reds, pinks, nudes and plums, perfect for every mood and occasion. Coming to how it feels when you wear it, it's a weightless matte formula which gives intense color with a bare lip feeling. My favorite thing about this range is that it does not get cakey or thick when you wear it, and it does not dry out your lips. It gives you intense color and it is very buildable. And if you buy any 2 Rouge signature lipstick from any L'Oreal Paris store, you get a perfectly matched clutch free. So now I'm going to swatch each one of the shades on my lips and show you how it looks.
I Vibrate. This is a perfect sunset shade, a bright hue of orange. It is bright yet perfect for both daytime and night. It complements any skin tone. Shade number 128, I Decide. This tone is a darker pink that would complement both duskier skin tones and light tones as well. It would be perfect for festive and wedding looks as it's dressy. Shade 129, I Lead. It is a great rosy pink color for workwear. It looks very classy and subtle. It has a light brown undertone, which is what mellows it out and makes it versatile. Shade 130, I Amaze. It is orange with slightly pink undertones, which surely makes it stand out. Shade 131, I Captivate. It is a dark plum shade to make a statement. It would pair really well with smoky eyes. It has undertones of both berry and plum. Add a pop of color to black and grey outfits while keeping with their theme with this shade. Shade 115, I'm Worth It. This is a very pretty bright red shade and it will look really well with all the skin tones. Shade 105, I Rule. This is a very pretty soft pink color with lilac undertones, and it will look great with medium and fair skin tones. Shade 103, I Enjoy. This is a rich plum and dark brownish kind of color, which will look great for all the skin tones, but especially for darker skin tones. Shade 121, I Choose. This is a very pretty everyday pink shade and it is recommended for every skin tone. Shade 126, I Play. This is a very pretty wine color and I think it looks great on my skin, and I think it will look great on every skin tone. Shade 116, I Explore. This is a beautiful nude color, and if you have medium skin tone like mine, then this is a must-have shade. Shade 114, I Represent. Such a vibrant reddish pink shade, and I think it will look beautiful on every skin tone.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.